With former Representative George Santos due in federal court tomorrow, as sources say there's a possible plea deal in the corruption case that drove him from office. Senior investigative correspondent Aaron Katersky has more now.
This morning, disgraced ex-Congressman George Santos is preparing for a return to court Monday when sources tell ABC News he's expected to plead guilty. Santos is supposed to stand trial next month, and just last week he reaffirmed his not guilty plea to 23 felony charges, including fraud, identity theft, and misuse of campaign funds.
Now I'm going to have to go and fight to defend myself.
But on Friday, his attorneys and federal prosecutors asked the judge, without explanation, to schedule a hearing where the sources said Santos is expected to change his plea to guilty, though they cautioned he could change his mind.
The clerk will notify the governor of the state of New York of the action of the House.
In December, Santos became the sixth member expelled from the House of Representatives after a tenure steeped in controversy. He admitted lying about his education, his career, and his family background, falsely claiming his grandparents survived the Holocaust. But the criminal charges are about money. Federal prosecutors said he misspent campaign money on designer clothing, charged donor credit cards without authorization, and took pandemic-era unemployment benefits while he was working.
He understands the seriousness of those charges, the fact that he could be facing 20 years in federal prison, and this might be an opportunity for him to avoid jail time or to minimize the amount of time altogether by taking a plea.
It's not clear which of the criminal charges Santos may be pleading guilty to or what the sentence could be, but guys, he is due in federal court here on Long Island Monday afternoon. Guys.
And we shall see a remarkable turn of events there.
Really
Thank you, Aaron.